Hey buddy, thanks for tuning into today's video. We're going to do a weekend forecast today, having a look at the weather for the weekend across the British Isles. Before I get on video though, I just want to talk about the advertisement. There'll usually be a video ad overlaying my web videos at GazMobivids.com, but it's players video ads. You'll be supporting GazMobivids.com by doing that. Also want to mention the websites I'm using for this video. I've got the Met Office here with a radar picture, have a look at it in a moment. We've got the charts from westcentral.de and from also weatheroutlook.com. You can find all three of those websites on my links page. The links tab is now on the top of my page. I've got a navigation bar on my website, so you'll find my links tab on the top of the page. Is now click on that and go through to the links page. You'll see the links for these websites, and you'll be able to see everything that's in this video for yourself. So this is the situation right now in terms of radar picture. We've got this area of persistent and quite heavy rain up across the parts of northern England, and further south though we're looking at these heavy showers starting to break out. Now there's not too many across the eastern side of the country just at the moment, but a lot of heavy showers going into the west. Long spells of rain down across southwest England, very windy as well down there, and we're going to find these showers really getting going through the course of this afternoon. They will turn heavy. There'll be hail and thunder and slow moving downpours mixed in as well, giving some torrential rain in some places. So this is the pressure chart for today. We've got low pressure really right over the top of the country. It's very windy down across the southwest approaches and through the English Channel as well. Tightly packed ice bars through there. So gales around some of those southwestern and southern coast. So if you're off out in a boat through this afternoon, do take care because it's going to be very windy through the channel. Light winds further north, and that's the reason that the showers are so slow moving across many parts of England and Wales, giving those torrential downpours. So it really is a case of sunshine and showers for England and Wales this afternoon. Heavy showers, thundery showers, thunderstorms in places, giving some torrential rain. Lighter showers further north, but there will still be showers for Scotland. And then of course we've got that persistent area of rain across parts of northern and northeast England. That'll get more showery, I think, as the day wears on. Temperatures today up to around 20-21 degrees at best, around the upper 60s to the low 70s Fahrenheit. Now overnight those showers will go on for a long time into the night, but eventually we'll see them dying back towards the eastern coast, and then many parts will become dry and clear. It's going to turn quite chilly in the north with temperatures into single figures, 7-8 degrees, but fairly mild in the south still, with temperatures around 12-13, and those winds will slowly moderate as well through the southern and southwestern coast. Now as we go through towards Sunday, we're going to have this ridge of high pressure building across the country, but the low pressure is still close enough to be producing showers down the east side. So I think for parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia, South East England, there will be showers tomorrow, but elsewhere a good deal of dry weather with some bright or sunny spells, but also a lot of cloud. Temperatures around 20-21 again, that's around 68 to 70 Fahrenheit. Could be quite cold in the north on Sunday night with temperatures as low as 4, 5, 6 degrees. I don't think we'll see ground frost so in the Glades now. It doesn't look like being that cold. Further south, temperatures probably around 9 or 10, so even a chillier night in the south. Going into Bank Holiday Monday, that high pressure is slipping away to the east. We've got this deep area of low pressure developing out to the west. Most of us get off to a bright enough start, but I think by cloud and strong winds through Ireland first thing in the morning, that'll spread on to the western side of the country through the course of the morning, driven on by strong to up to gale force winds up the Irish Sea. Further east, a lot of sunshine for the morning, but it will cloud over through the afternoon, with much of Scotland, northern England, Wales into parts of southwest England turning wet in the afternoon. That rain extending on in towards the Midlands, maybe northeast England by the end of the afternoon, leaving just East Anglia and southeastern England dry. So it's those southeastern holiday resorts that are the place to go on Bank Holiday Monday. Temperatures on Monday probably up to around 20-21 degrees before that rain arrives, but of course dropping when the wind and rain sets in. Then we'll see a spell of rain and wind overnight on Monday night into Tuesday. That rain will get lighter and patchier though in the southeast. Going into Tuesday, and we're in this run of southwesterly winds waiting for this next area of low pressure. Tuesday not too bad a day at all, I think. There will be some showers in the north and west in particular, but much of the south and east should be mainly dry. As I say, a lot of dry weather on Tuesday with sunny spells, but temperatures will be quite warm as well, up to around 22-23 degrees with this southwesterly flow, so really quite a nice day for many of us on Tuesday, but we have got those showers to think about in the north and west. On Wednesday, that next area of low pressure is coming in from the Atlantic, so whilst many of us may get off to a dry and bright start on Wednesday morning, we'll have rain in the west first thing, and that rain will swing eastwards through the course of the day. Some of the rain will be quite heavy, but perhaps not arriving into the southern and southeastern areas until late on in the afternoon. By then it could be turning lighter and patchier. Temperatures, well, maybe up to around 19-20 degrees before that rain sets in, but tending to drop again when the rain clears, although it may feel quite humid in the southeast. That low pressure is moving eastwards into the North Sea as we go into Thursday. I think we're looking at showers or longer spells of rain for many hours. Probably not too much in the way of rain in the south, but could be quite a bit of rain up in the north, and turning more showery though as the day goes on. And then we look at this ridge of high pressure starting to build in from the northwest. That becomes important as going to the end of the week and the weekend. Temperatures on Thursday a little bit down. We've got a more of a northerly flow here, so temperatures around 18-19 degrees at best, probably for many of us. On Friday, we're building that ridge of high pressure in from west. We've still got this northerly wind, though, still feeding in showers, I think, around these eastern and southeastern coasts. So there will be showers there, but many parts turning dry on Friday with some sunny spells. It'll be feeling cool, though, with temperatures of just 17-18 degrees probably for many of us. So we've got this northerly flow coming down around this high pressure. But this high pressure is building in nicely as we go into the weekend, bringing a lot of dry weather, I think, across many parts of the country. Could still be showers though down the east coast, but this high pressure really is looking very nice indeed for the start of September. Could well bring us a good deal of dry and warm and sunny weather for the first week of September. Now, I've had a message in the comment box from Wolfman who wants to know what weather's going to be like for Spa for the Grand Prix, the Belgian Grand Prix at Spa next weekend. We can see we've got this northerly wind coming down, and that'll be feeding in a fair amount of showers, I think, through Friday and Saturday in particular. So Wolfman, prepare for rain on Friday and Saturday. Could be some heavy showers on both days, but by Sunday this high pressure could well be toppling in, bringing a lot of dry weather. So the Grand Prix itself on Sunday could well be dry, but it just depends how quickly this high pressure comes in. Have a quick look at the charts from weatheroutlook.com finally to see weather in your area. This is the case today. Lots of showers here across the country. Longer spells of rain in some places as well. As we go into Sunday, well, still some showers in this southeastern side, but a lot of dry weather actually in the northwest. That dry weather extending further east with time, so I think many of us probably ending up dry by the end of Sunday. Monday starts off okay. This is Monday morning, a lot of dry weather with sunny spells, but rain already in the west first thing, and that spreads eastwards through the course of the day, bringing quite a bit of rain to the northwest. Strong winds as well, but probably not too much in the way of rain in the southeast on Bank Holiday Monday, so that's where you want to go to if you're going to the coast. Not too bad at all on Tuesday, 1 or 2 showers around, but a lot of dry weather, sunny spells as well, and quite warm as well in the southeast, temperatures up to around 23 degrees. More rain coming in from the Atlantic though on Wednesday, and then going into Thursday when it's a case of showers or longer spells of rain. Temperatures taking a bit of a drop. A lot of dry weather once we get through to Friday with long sunny spells. Temperatures dipping down, and I think we could still have some showers around the southeastern coast, but really Friday is looking quite nice, and that sets us up for a nice spell of weather probably going into the start of September. So in summary, it looks like we're going to have more showers and longer spells of rain. Very unsettled bank holiday weekend, staying unsettled for much of next week, but turning drier and brighter once we get through to the end of next week, setting us up for a nice spell of weather for the start of September. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.